This is my 1987 Volvo 240 GLT, and today I'm going to show you the car in all its glory with its mad looking wheels on it. So stay tuned. If you've been following my channel and you've been following what I've been doing to this car, fixing all the things wrong with it, getting it all tip-top shape, you know that I kept going on about one day I'm going to get some lovely wheels for it and I'm going to be pulling the arches out and trying to get it all to work. Well, I managed to get myself a set of really cool wheels. We're talking 17 by 10 in the rear, which I was going to struggle to get under the arches, and 16 by 9 in the front. Well, today I spent a good few hours hammering out all the arches at the back using an arch roller, pulling all the arches out to try and get my wheels to fit on the thing. First of all, I had to get the tyres onto the rim, which I did myself on my living room floor, where you can see here. This is one of the new wheels for the Volvo. Not going to show you the face yet. Don't worry about the colour on the back. And I'm going to get this tyre onto this rim without using a machine and just using 2 screwdrivers and some washing up liquid. So let's get into it. First I want to make sure the tyre has writing on it that says it's the outside of the rim. Some tyres have inside and outside. So I want to make sure. I've got my rim face down because if you look here, these rims, you need the tyre to tuck into that gap to be able to get it on the rim. And this is wider that side than it is this. So this tyre goes on from the back. That's why I've got it face down. Don't worry, I'm not damaging the rim. I've still got rim protectors on. So, trying to find where it says inside or outside on this. Oh, there it is. Outside. So that is going to go face down. First of all, a little bit up. Yes, I'm doing this on my living room floor. My workshop is full of flowers at the minute because it's nearly Mother's Day. There we go, that is lubed up. Let's get this on. Like that, and then get it over, and then simple as that for the first bit. It's this bit that's the hard bit. Right, now, this is the hard bit. Got to lube up this side now. Right, now, I'm going to get this back bit on as far as we can. Like that, and then like that, and then the trick is to get your knee on here, make sure that tyre bead sticks in this groove here, and then we start levering like this. Like that. Like this. There we go. Now over here. Come on. Over here. Make sure that stays in that groove here. Otherwise it will come back off. And lever again here. Again here. Come on. There we go. Hold that there. Like that. Almost there. Yes, I'm sweating. We're close. Let's work it round. We're very close. And we're on. Not too worried about the few scratches here because it's the back of the wheel. Not going to show you the front of the wheel. As you can see, just need airing it now. Happy days.
3 days later.
And after a lot of work, a lot of messing around and a lot of messing with these arches, are you ready to see the new wheels on this motor? Yeah.
riding clean though, swerving like I've been sipping on lean though. Mean though, if a bitch fuck around with my scene though, my team though, so we get money just like casino. Free throws, counting this shit is easy cause I put in work in. Okay, gotta keep serving them in my state, gotta keep swerving, don't slow me down, kinda like homie stay in your lane. Like bitches all on my bumper, they trying to fuck up my paint, but they can't. They out of breath, they can't keep up with my pace.